At Softaken Software, innovation meets reliability. Established in 2015, Softaken Software was founded with a bold vision to deliver quality software solutions that empower users and businesses alike. By 2017, we had developed and launched over 30 innovative products. In 2019, our footprint went global, now serving customers in over 100 countries. 2021 marked a turning point as we introduced cutting-edge solutions for email migration and cloud backup. By 2023, we hit a major milestone, over 1 million satisfied customers worldwide. And in 2025, our journey continues, with a focus on innovation, excellence, and global impact. Why do professionals around the world trust Softaken Software? Recognized excellence, leading the way in software innovation. Try before you buy. Explore our tools with complete confidence. 1 million plus happy customers. Join a trusted global community. Premium products, built with precision, backed by quality. 24/7 support. Our team is always here when you need us. Virus-free and secure, safe, reliable, and certified. Affordable pricing. High quality at budget-friendly rates. 30-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. Regular updates. Stay current with continuous improvements. User-friendly interfaces, designed for users of all skill levels. With over 1 million happy users and presence in more than 100 countries, Softaken Software is trusted by professionals, enterprises, and individuals alike. Whether you're managing emails, migrating data, or backing up the cloud, choose software you can rely on. Softaken Software, empowering users, inspiring innovation,